Hello everyone, today we are going through sum of first n terms of an AP. In last class we have studied that how to find any terms of an AP, right? So here we will learn how to find the sum of n terms of an AP. And we know that an arithmetic progression is of the form a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, etc. a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then here let's see what is the sum of these n terms. There are total n terms, right? See, starting from a, second term is a plus 1 into d, last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, it is the nth term. Okay, we know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so let's see how to find the sum of these n terms. And it is denoted by Sn. That is, sum of these n terms is denoted by Sn, that is equal to a plus d plus a plus 2d plus a plus 3d plus etc. plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. After that, see here, next we will rewrite it in reverse order. Okay. That is same Sn, sum is Sn itself. So Sn is equal to, we will write it in reverse order, that is a plus n minus 1 into d plus next term is, see what is the term before a plus n minus 1 into d? A plus n minus 2 into d, right? A plus n minus 2 into d. Next term is a plus n minus 3 into d, okay? Plus etc. plus what is the last term? A, right? Plus a. Okay. After that, let's add these two equations. That is, if it is equation 1 and equation 2, add equation 1 and 2. We get 2Sn. Sn plus Sn, that is 2Sn. That is equal to, okay, see here, first term, a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus a, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Next, let's add these two. Okay. A plus d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a plus a is 2a plus, see, d plus n minus 2 into d is nothing but dn minus 2d. Right. So here, see, d minus 2d, that is nothing but minus d. So again we can write it as n minus 1 into d. Okay. That is d plus n minus 2 into d. So here minus 2d plus d is minus d. That is nothing but n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here plus, see, this one, add these two, a plus a, 2a, plus here it is 3d, sorry, adding these two, okay. Yes, this first term, second term, we have added second term, okay, third term is this one, okay, sorry. This one, that is, here's third term is a plus 2d. A plus 2d plus this one, a plus n minus 2 into d. Okay, sorry, it is the first term, it is the second term, okay, and it is the third term, okay. Now it is clear. It is the third term, so here it is the third term. A plus 2d plus a plus n minus 3 into d. A plus a is 2a plus here 2d minus 3d is minus d. So that is nothing but n minus 1 into d. Okay, plus etc. Then last term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d plus a, that is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, see here there are total n terms, okay, and each terms are equal, right? See, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. All the terms are 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Therefore, how many terms are there? N terms. So n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Then see here 2Sn is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here we need the sum Sn, right? That is Sn is equal to this one. That is sum of these n terms. That is Sn is equal to, take these two here, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is the sum of first n terms of an AP. Here a is the first term, d is the common difference, right? And n is the number of terms. Look at an example. Find the sum of first 24 terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. So here we have to find the sum of first 24 terms and nth term is given. So first of all we have to write an AP. Okay. So an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Then what is the first term? An is nth term, right? Nth term is 3 plus 2n. First term is, we will get it by substituting n is equal to 1, right? That is a1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1, that is 5. Next we will find a2, second term. Second term is 3 plus 2 into 2. Substitute n is equal to 2, that is 3 plus 4, 7. Okay. Now here we have got what is the common difference. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, let's find a3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3, that is 3 plus 6, 9. Then, so the AP is 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Then last term, that is nth term is 3 plus 2n. Okay, then after that, here we have to find the sum, right? So what is the sum formula? Sn. Here n is equal to 24 because we have to find the sum of first 24 terms, right? So Sn, that is S24 is equal to, okay, n by 2. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula. Okay. So S24 is equal to n by 2, that is 24 divided by 2 into 2 into a. What is a? First term. What is the first term? 5. Right. So 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. 24 minus 1 into d. What is the difference? Common difference? 2. Right. That is equal to 12 into 10 plus 23 into 2, 46. That is equal to 56 into 12. That is 12 6 are 72, 7, 12 5 are 60, yes, 672. Right? So what is the sum? Sum of first 24 terms is 672. Find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP in which a is equal to 1 and 20th term is equal to 58. Okay, here first term and last term is given. See, here in two methods we can find it. Okay, find the sum. So first of all, let's find using this formula. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we don't have this d. That means common difference. We don't have common difference. So we have to find the common difference from this. That is 20th term is equal to 58. So 20th term means a20 is equal to 58. It is given. Okay. Actually what is a20? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right. That is a plus n is 20. So 20 minus 1, 19d. Right. So here we have a. that is 1. 1 plus 19d. 58 is equal to 1 plus 19d. Right? That is 19d is equal to 57. Taken 1 this side. That implies d is equal to 57 divided by 19, that is 3. Now we have d. We have got value of d. Now substitute d is equal to, that is a in this equation. Okay. So Sn, that is S20 is equal to n by 2. What is n? 20. 20 divided by 2 into 2 into a, that is 2, plus a is 1. Okay, 2 into 1, 2, plus n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d. That is equal to 10 into 2 plus, here 19 into 3, that is 2 plus 19 into 3 is 57, that is equal to 59 into 10, 590. Okay, another method is, see here, we have this formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this can be written as, see, 2a can be written as a plus a, right? So a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this n minus 1 into d. Okay, now here n by 2, it is the first term. Okay, a is the first term. A plus, and what is it? It is nothing but nth term, that is an, right? So here we can write it as a plus an. Okay, so another formula to find the sum of first n terms of an AP is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, that is first term plus last term. Okay, so directly here you can find the sum of 20 terms because that is 20th term is given, that is last term is given. Okay, that is here you can find S20 is equal to 20 divided by 2 into first term is 1 plus an, that is 58 is equal to 10 into 59, that is 590. Look at this question. If the sum of first 4 terms of an AP is 40 and that of first 14 terms is 280, find the sum of its first n terms. See here, first of all, S4 is given, that is 40. And S14, that is sum of first 14 terms is 280. That is S14 is equal to 280. Okay. Now we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is S4? S4 is equal to, how to write? Apply the formula. Substitute n is 4, 4 by 2 into 2 into a is not given, d is not given. Okay, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3d. That is equal to 2 into 2a plus 3d. So what is S4? 40. So 40 is equal to 2 into 2a plus 3d. That implies, take this 2 here, so it will be 2a plus 3d is equal to 40 by 2, 20. Okay, next let's take this one. S14 is equal to 280. What is S14? Apply the formula. S14 is equal to n by 2, that is 14 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, that is 14 minus 1, 13. Okay, that implies, what is S14? 280. 280 is equal to 14 by 2 is 7. 7 into 2a plus 13d. That is, take this 7 here, so it will be 7 4s are 28, right? Okay, so 40 is equal to 2a plus 13d. See, we have got two equations. That is, one is 2a plus 3d is equal to 20, first equation, and next 2a plus 13d is equal to 40, second equation. Okay, by elimination method we can find the values of a and d. Okay, after that we can find the sum of its first n terms. Okay, so let's find the values of a and d. See here, coefficients of a are same, right? So directly we can subtract. That is equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2 gives 2a minus 2a 0. 3d minus 13d. 3d minus 13d is equal to 20 minus 14. Okay. That is minus 10d. 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Minus 10d is equal to minus 20. That implies minus is cancelled. D is equal to 20 by 10. That is 2. We have got the value of D. Then substitute D is equal to 2 in any of this equation so that we will get the value of A. Right? So equation 1 gives, substitute D is equal to 2 here. 2A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 20. That implies 2A plus 6 is equal to 20. That implies 2A is equal to 20 minus 6, 14. That implies A is equal to 7. Okay. So we have got the values of A and D. A is equal to 7, D is equal to 2. Next, we can find the sum of first n terms. That is Sn. Okay. Sn is nothing but sum of first n terms. Okay. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into A. 2 into 7 plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2. That is equal to n by 2 into 14 plus 2n minus 2. That is n by 2 into 14 minus 2, 12. 12 plus 2n. Here 2 is common. So this 2 will be cancelled. Okay. That is n into here 6 plus n or n plus 6. That is equal to n square plus 6n. It is the sum of first n terms. If Sn, the sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 3n square minus 4n, find the nth term. See, here sum of the first n terms is given. Okay, that is Sn. Now, here we will find S1. What is S1? That is sum of first term. That is first term itself. Right? Sum of first term is first term itself. Right? First term of an AP. Therefore, here let's find S1 so that we will get the first term. Okay. So, S1 is equal to, substituting n is equal to 1, Sn is equal to this one. So, S1 is equal to, substituting n is equal to 1. So, 3 into n square is 1 minus 4 into 1, that is 3 minus 4 minus 1. Okay. So, here we have got the first term is minus 1. Okay. Then, after that, let's find S2. What is S2? Sum of first two terms. S2 is sum of first two terms. Okay. We will get it by substituting n is equal to 2. Right? 3 into 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 2, that is 3 into 4, 12 minus 8, that is equal to 4. Okay. So, here we have got first term and sum of first two terms. See. First term, we don't know what is the second term. Okay. So, here we can take minus 1 plus d is the second term. Right? If d is the common difference, then second term minus 1 plus d. Minus 1 is the first term. Right? So, here we have got minus 1 plus d is equal to 4. Sorry, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus d. That is sum of two terms. Sum of two terms is 4, right? So, what is D? D is equal to 4 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2. Take this to right side. So, it will be plus 2. That is 6. D is equal to 6. So, here we have got D is equal to 6. Okay. How? First term is minus 1 and sum of first two terms is 4. So, if minus 1, then if the second term is minus 1 plus d, if d is the common difference, then second term is minus 1 plus d. So, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus d is equal to 4. That implies d is equal to 6. Okay. So this implies D is equal to 6. We have got A's, that is A. S1 is equal to A. Okay, S1 is nothing but A. So A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 6. Now we are asked to find the nth term of an AP. That is AN. What is AN? A plus n minus 1 into D. We have A and D, right? So nth term is A, that is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into D is 6. That is equal to minus 1 plus 6n minus 6. That is equal to 6n minus 7. So AN is equal to 6n minus 7. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 3n square plus n and its common difference is 6, then find its first term. It's very simple, right? So no need of this common difference. We can find directly. That is, here it is given sum of the first n terms of an AP is 3n square plus n. That is, Sn is equal to 3n square plus n. So substitute n is equal to 1, that is S1. S1 is nothing but first term. Okay. So here S1 is equal to 3 into 1 square, 1 plus 1, that is 4. Therefore A is equal to S1 is equal to 4. That implies, okay, A is equal to 4 is the answer. Find the sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. See here, first of all we have to write an AP, right? That is, we have to write the numbers, two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. Okay, so for that, first of all let's write the numbers which are divisible by 7. That means leaves 0 as remainder. So what are the numbers? Starting from 7, then 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, etc. Okay. After that, here we have to write the two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. Here remainder is 0, right? So remainder is 3 means, see, we have to add 3 for all the numbers, right? That is 7 plus 3, 10, 14 plus 3, 17, 21 plus 3, 24, 28 plus 3, 31, etc. Right? So here, what are the numbers? The AP is 10, 17, 24, 31, etc. Okay? These are the numbers which when two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. Okay? Now here we have to find the sum of all two-digit numbers, right? So for that we have to find the last two-digit number when which divided by 7 leaves 3 as the remainder. Okay, for that let's find the number, two-digit number which is divisible by 7. Okay, that is last two-digit number which is divisible by 7. What is the number? See. We know that last two-digit number is 99. Okay, natural number is 99. So 99 divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 1 is remainder. Right? Therefore 99 minus 1 is 98. Therefore 98 is the last two-digit number which is divisible by 7. Okay? Here we need the two-digit number, last two-digit number which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. Okay. So add 98 plus 3. Here we will get 101. So it is the three-digit number. Right. Therefore we have to find the preceding number of 98. Okay. So what is that number? 91. Okay. So 91, 98. Okay. 91. So 91 plus 3 is 94. Therefore, 94 is the last two-digit number when divided by 7 leaves 3 as the remainder. Okay. So, 94 is the last number, that is last term. Now, here we have to find the how many terms that is n. Okay, we have to find n. After that we will find the sum of all these numbers. Okay, so let's find the n. For that we have to apply this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a is 10 plus n is we have to find, right? So what is an? That is last term, nth term, 94. 10 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is nothing but 7, right? Into 7. That is 10 plus 7n minus 7, that is equal to 7n plus 3. So 94 minus 3, that is 91, is equal to 7n. That implies n is equal to 91 divided by 7, that is 30. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Okay. So n is equal to 30. That means there are 13 terms. Means there are 13 two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder. Okay. There are 13 numbers. Okay. Now we have got the value of n. Then next we have to find the sum. So what is the sum? Sn. What is n? N is 13, right? Yes, 13 is equal to, formula is n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is here n by 2. 13 by 2 into 2 into a. What is a? 10. 2 into 10 plus n minus 1, that is 13 minus 1 into d. D is, what is d? 7. Okay. That is equal to 13 divided by 2. Here 20. 20 plus 13 minus 2 is, minus 1 is 12. 12 into 7. Okay. See here 2 is common, right? So let's take 2 outside so that this 2 will be cancelled. Okay. So 13 into 10 plus 6 into 7, 42. Okay. That is equal to here 52 into 30. Okay. That is equal to 13 into 2, 26 to 13 into 5 is 13 into 5. 65. 65 plus 2, that is 67. So 676. So what is the sum? Sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 7 leaves 3 as remainder is 676.